How to fix iPhone swipe up not working. Let's get started. Launch your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Giving a fresh restart to your device might fix your problem. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option accessibility, head towards the option of voice control. Make sure you haven't set up any voice control. Likewise, head back. Open the option Control Center. Toggle on for the option of Access within apps. Likewise, head back. Go to the option Face ID and Passcode. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. Toggle on for the option of Control Center. After you check these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, head back. Go to the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Heading towards very last solution, you can force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone swipe up not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.